Can you recover surplus funds and overages in the state of Virginia? Well, I'm going to show you a case study of a deal that I completed in my own business. Here's a picture of the property that sold. This was a mortgage foreclosure. And here's a copy of the check and the letter that came with the check showing how much we recovered for our client. So as you can see, we recovered over $500,000 for our client in this one particular case. Now, I've completed several cases in Virginia, both tax and mortgage overages. Mortgage overages in Virginia oftentimes do not require a court procedure, depending on the complexity of the case. So they can be a little bit faster. Tax overages, you do have to go through a court procedure in order to recover overages or surplus funds in Virginia. So two different processes depending on the type of overage or surplus funds you are recovering. So be aware of that. Um, Virginia is a fine state to work in. Property values are pretty high there, which obviously can create very large overages, as you can see in this particular case. This case was actually pretty special because our client, after they went through their auction, they ended up living in a homeless shelter, and we couldn't find them for a while. They had their phone stolen and their laptop. And I did a video about this. I ended up going out there in person and locating him. And once I was able to find him, we had our attorney wire the funds directly to him. So it was pretty special because obviously he was able to get out of the homeless shelter and start fresh with these funds. So this was a unique case, but it was a good case, and many other stories in the state of Virginia as well. But I'll share those in another video. Guys, if you want to learn how to do surplus funds, whether it's in Virginia or any other state in the United States, you can reach out to me, go through my training. Highly recommend you check that out. If you have questions, you can reach out to me, DM me, or shoot me an email, nick@overagesyndicate.com. And appreciate you watching. And there's other resources available for you in the description of this video down below. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next one.